Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files category. Over here you can pick your files right away, choose one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of your sources. Wherever you do, you can also click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now simply hold your file that you wish to add. And last but not least, select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!